I want you guys to imagine getting paid $300 every single day. How would it affect your life? The wish list you created months ago will be at your doorstep after you finish watching this video. Let me tell you this, you guys are in for a treat today. I have found a new technique that is paying absolute beginners $300 every single day. I just got off a FaceTime with my best friend Lindsay, who has been using this technique for months now, and she has made over $7,000 in just one single month following the exact strategy I'm going to share today. The best part is that you don't need any investment to make money using this method. All you will be needing is your laptop or your mobile phone with an active internet connection. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, and I can guarantee you guys, if you follow this video step by step and do exactly as I say, then no one can stop you from getting the same results. My jaw literally dropped when I first learned about it. This is the best way to make money online out there. I have never seen anyone else mention this online before. This is absolutely insane, and this method is also beginner-friendly and is available worldwide. I received a lot of comments saying, "We want to make money fast." And as always, your Stacy brings you the best out there. So this time, we are going to make money fast. The first step that you guys need to follow is, hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where online money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. Before I share my secret method, make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Now without a further ado, let's move on to step number 1. I want you guys to head over to youtube.com and search for wrestling moments in the search bar. As you can see here, these videos are getting millions of views and making complete passive income for the creator. But don't worry, this video is not about uploading videos to YouTube and making money. This time it's going to be special. All I want is for you guys to understand the potential of this market. You can easily conclude that over 100 million people are interested in the wrestling market. The secret opportunity I am going to share today is not even known by these YouTubers who are posting these videos. But before that, I want you guys to shortlist 5 to 10 channels like this. Just make sure they are big and are getting millions of views on their videos. Once you are ready with your selected channels, it's time to head over to step number 2. Now before I share the next step, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Now all you guys need to do is to head over to the About section of the channels you have selected and click on the View Email button. Once you collect email addresses of all the channels you have selected, copy and paste them to a single file so that you can use it in the next step. You can use this same format that I have used here with name of the channel and their email address. It's time for step number 3 now. I want you guys to open a new browser window and head over to digistore24.com. Digistore24 is an affiliate network where you can find digital and physical products to promote. You will be getting up to 90% commission on every single sale you make. If you are familiar with this platform already, we will not be using it the traditional way. The method I'm going to disclose is going to be a completely new method, and I have never seen anyone else sharing this online before. Just keep following and you will be making up to $10,000 in a single week. This process is a little complicated, so I need you to pay close attention to everything from now. First, go ahead and register on the website by clicking this button. Fill out the registration form with your details and click on Register for free now. Once you have successfully signed up, you will be taken to your dashboard. You can see all the stats of your sales on this page. I have created a brand new account to demonstrate the process to you guys. I will be personally using the same strategy on this account, and I will share the results in an upcoming video. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on that. Now I want you to click on the Marketplace option at the very top. You will be taken to this page once you click on that. Here you can choose different digital products available on the site. Now almost everyone chooses digital products when it comes to this. But in this technique, you will be making money online using a physical product. Just click on Physical Products and then select Supplements. You will find hundreds of products listed on this page. Now step number 4, I want you to select a product that is paying over 80% in commission. Here I have choose this product as it checks all the boxes. Make sure you find a product very similar to this, or else you won't be getting the same results. So I have selected the Metacore product. This product is number 1 in Digistore history. Because of the 85% revenue share, number 1 in average sale value, that is $150, and number 1 for conversion. You can also click on Sales page here to see how the product's sales page looks like. So let's go ahead and click on Promote Now and copy the promo link. After copying it, let's go ahead to the 5th step. The 5th step is to head back over to the list you made in step 1. Almost 95% of these channels are not aware of the strategy that we will use. Now what I want you guys to do is to send this exact email that I'm going to share to all these email addresses. I am an affiliate marketing expert, and I help channels like you to earn extra $10,000 to $30,000 per month using different audience monetization methods other than AdSense revenue. Don't worry, you don't need to pay for anything, neither do I charge for it. It is completely free, and you can start to earn $10,000 to $30,000 from the first month of working with me. And also YouTube allows it, and it is under YouTube guidelines. So if you are interested in it and want more information about it, please let me know and I will share the details about this deal. Once you get a reply from the channel, reply them with exactly this. Hey there, thanks for replying. We are working on a project where we promote the products through channels like you, and you earn a commission on every single sale. You can get up to $20 to $50 commission per sale. And with my experience in the field, for every 100,000 views, you will get 100 sales and a profit of $2,000 to $10,000 per video. I will provide you the tracking link of the product, which will help us to track the number of clicks and sales from your channel. And you just need to include a 30-second shout out to the product in your video and include the tracking link and a disclaimer in the description of your video. This process is completely transparent, and I will share the weekly report with you for your clicks and sales. And I will pay you your commissions at the end of each month. If this sounds good to you, we can start working from this week itself. You will handle the video part of the deal, and I will track the clicks and sales parts of the deal. Once you send this exact email, I am very confident that they are going to accept your offer and you will making loads of cash in no time. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.